channel. It's your girl Nox. Thank you so much for coming back. If you are new, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I hope you're gonna love it here. Welcome to my little home, guys. I am so happy. We are growing day by day. We are growing. Right now I am sitting on 61 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. Please engage with me every time I post a video. Please like, comment, and share. I am currently okay. I want to do a Shein haul first, and then Gizopeka. We are going to Mexico. Today is Thursday, so on Saturday we are going to Mexico. Yeah, you guys are gonna pack with me, but Shein haul, I think I'm gonna do it separately. Yeah, because I think I'm gonna post it on TikTok. Yeah, it's my first time order Shein, so izinto engiyithengile it's specifically for Mexico. Mexico kuyashisa ke guys. In Mexico it is very hot, so I just bought some few things already. Nginazi ngoba angifuni ukuba i-shopaholic, so I'm really trying to limit myself ngithenga izinto engazi ukuthi ngiyazidinga, you know. Yeah, yeah, you guys are gonna pack with me. Right now I'm just gonna quickly film a Shein haul for TikTok. If you don't follow me on TikTok, please follow me. It's Nox.M at 24. Yep. Yeah, I'm just gonna link my handle. Yeah, I'll see you guys when I'm done. So guys, I'm done doing my Shein haul. Ngishutile nga-editha ngayiposta same time, so that's -1. Yeah, so sengiyapheka manje. I don't think ngizodinga impahla ey'ngako, because one kuyashisa lapha, so yeah, I'm just gonna pick up some few things. Ngibona ukuthi ngihamba nani ngishiya ini. Yo, ngaze nganqena sekulate. It's almost 10. Yeah, it's almost 10 manje. But I'm gonna do it. Ngifuna ukulala ngiyenzile ngazi ukuthi kusasa I'm free. Then Saturday morning we are flying to Mexico. Yeah guys, aspecking. Oh, I should have packed this one. Oh my god. So guys, I am done packing. I am so tired. I'm going to sleep now. Yeah, nothing much. I'll see you guys the following day. I am so tired. I want to sleep so bad. I'll see you guys tomorrow or Saturday.
kick.
Good morning, guys. Yo, I woke up very late. Angenzwa ngisho alarm ikhala. Yo. Yeah, today it's Friday. I'm starting work at 11:30. Oh my god. I don't know what happened, but it means so I'm gonna have to stop filming until I figure that thing out. I am so stressed. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back. Today it's Saturday. I am trying to check in. Okay, sesiyakahamba ke sizokhuluma late. We're just waiting for our shuttle to take us to the hotel. I'll see you guys once I'm checking in. So guys, we are just chilling by the beach. ngiyazikade ngigcine ngikhuluma nami. Yeah, I think soyakuyiphuma nje and just swim kancane then sibuya. And another thing, because we're a tripod, I forgot my tripod, so it's hectic, but it's fine as long as I'm vlogging. It's okay. Mexico is so nice, guys. The weather is nice, people are so nice. It's chilled. It's very chilled. Mexico, it is so packed. Like everyone is out and about. It's packed. Yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. See you guys after 12. I'll be just chilling, nothing much, nothing hectic. My outfit for today, ngigqoke exact outfit ebengigqoke yesterday except for the hat and the shades. Because I didn't take any pictures yesterday. Excuse I'm not how guys. But yeah. To work at 1:30 and njengamanje it's 1:55. So ngizohlala lapha a few minutes and then I have to go back at work. Hi guys, ngiyazikade ngigcinele ukukhuluma nani. Oh my god, my work schedule is a little bit uptight, but I'm coping. It's today is Wednesday or Thursday, I'm not sure, but umhlaka 25, and Merry Christmas. Nibe nosuku oluhle guys with your families. Yeah, I couldn't vlog at breakfast because we were busy preparing and stuff, and bengafuna kube ngathi I'm busy with my phone, yabo. So I'm trying to live in the moment guys. Because nginabantu, so angifuni kube ngathi yabo. I am going to the spa, ngine-spa session for 1 o'clock. It's now 11:45. It's early, but I just want to do my workouts, and then I'm gonna maybe chill in a jacuzzi, and then I'm gonna go for a spa. Yeah, I hope ngizokwazi ukuvlogger guys. The thing is I don't have a tripod. I forgot my tripod at LA. But I hope at least ngithola ama-pictures at least. I hope ngizokwazi ukuvlogela guys. Get some few clips, yeah. I couldn't get nice pictures guys. Ngiyeke swimsuits, yo. It's hectic. Like I wish I had a tripod. But we still have a couple of days. I hope ngizokwazi ukushootha kahle. I'll see you guys later. It was amazing. The staff was very nice and friendly. It was amazing. See you next week. It's like amaleza babayo with line zakho zobala kakhulu. Hi guys, I am back. I just finished taking a shower. I went to the spa. It was amazing. It was amazing. Service be righty. The staff was very friendly. Righty guys. It was amazing. I don't wanna lie. And it smells so good. So yeah, after Ispa I went to the pool, and then I came back. I just finished shower. I'm just gonna order some food and then we can just chill. Oh guys, le vlog, I feel like I hlangan because manje the thing is ngibe on duty and my work needs my full attention, so I can't be vlogging and working like akuhlangan. I feel like guys anginezile content ebengiyicabanga. But I know you guys are gonna watch my video and so like and comment and share and please subscribe. Please. I beg. Yazi kumnandi ukufollowisha umuntu from the start. Umazi nje umsuka wakhe. Kuzothi sengiyinswembo guys, sengise base yaqala uyayisola ukuthi ish ukube. Kumnandi nje ukwazi umuntu from the start umazi eqaleni, umazi esahlanganisa mfethu. Uyabo? Nami ngisayihlanganisela abafethu, ngisafunda izinto eziningi. Okusalayo ngiyithanda lento engiyenzayo and ngiyayi-enjoy. Yabo? So, sengikhathele. I'm struggling. I-tripod yami angazi ngiyikhohle kanjani. I'm barely even taking pictures because singabe sisachaza. I'll see you guys. We're just gonna chill, nothing much, and I'm gonna be on duty. What's the time? The time is 6:15. I'll be on duty from 8 to 10, I think. Yeah. But you guys are just gonna chill with me. I'm just gonna order food and then have supper. Yeah. Okay, guys. The food that I want, it's only gonna be available from 10:30 p.m. and right now it's almost 6:30. So I'm just gonna warm up a pizza. These are the leftovers, so I'm just gonna guys, I love her. She's one of my favorite YouTubers. Especially my Sally Dubudla Kanje, yo. It doesn't look appetizing, but it's not. You can eat Japanese pizza. Layer white sauce, yeah. Goodie bag. Very important because I got some snacks. This will be the death of me, honestly.
Got kick.
Hi guys, I am back. Sana, I couldn't vlog. Bengiphethe kabi kuyabanda. I was using Google Map. It was just a lot for me, honestly. But I'm back. I just bought a McDonald's. It is so cold. Yeah. Hi guys, I'm in my ear. It's your girl Nox. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. I would love you to be part of this family. Yeah, we just started and we already on 68 subscribers. I am so proud. Thank you guys a lot. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Yeah, I do not like these straws. I do not like them. I don't know if this is a new vlog or I really don't know. But guys, I am back from Mexico. It was a vacation. We were there for a week. Yeah, it was Saturday to Saturday. The last 2 or 3 days in Mexico, I couldn't vlog, guys. We were literally inside the house. The weather was a mess. It was raining, we couldn't go out, so most of the time being me and I was with people. I couldn't vlog because like there was nothing to show and I was with people, so angifuni kube ngathi ukubona uma uhleli nabantu and you're busy on your phone, it doesn't make sense. Like kubonakala ngathi you don't have manners, so bengayifuni into kanjalo. But we are now in New York. We're only gonna be here for a couple of days. Sifikela on Sunday. No, we arrived here on Saturday. Yeah, no, it was Sunday because we arrived kule Airbnb around 1 get 2 ain't that. So yeah, so we only gonna be here till Wednesday and then we're going back to LA. It is so cold, guys. I just bought a McD. I couldn't vlog bengiphethe kabi. I was using Google Map. Kuya banda. It is so cold. It is so cold. I'm so sad it's not snowing. Beyithi ngizobona isnow. Snow. Oh, yes. Ngisayivile leya audio. I'm just waiting ukuyisebenzisa. Bought a milk Sprite, medium fries, cheeseburger, and 4 nuggets. I just bought 4 nuggets with the barbecue. I wanted the jalapeno, but they didn't like. So got to eat barbecue. The time is 3:30 and I'm having lunch. So guys, the other reason ebeyenza ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuvlogga kahle ukuthi bengibuya ngibe on duty, as much as bese kwi-vacation but bengibuye ngibe on duty. Yabo, so bekubuye kube tricky. I think I've said this before, ukuthi umsebenzi engiwenzayo needs my full attention, like angikwazi ukusebenzisa ifoni while ngi on duty. It is so cold. It is so hard vlogging without a tripod. Kunzima, I don't wanna lie. You guys, I don't know. So, we're gonna grow till we get monetized, and then we're gonna start earning. Then I will invest on YouTube. I've made my list already. Eziphi izinto engizoyithenga kuqala engiyidingayo. So guys, as I've mentioned, I arrived in New York and go Sunday in data. Sunday I was working. Today is Monday. I'm off. I'm struggling with Uber, no Lyft. Like, they're charging me extremely, like, ridiculous prices. Because bengithi ngizoya city. But my price, I cannot, guys. It's too much. It's too much. So I'm just ngizobona ukuthi schedule something kanjani kusasa, and then maybe I'm gonna go somewhere. And just to give you guys content, I was watching my intro video and I just realized there's something you guys engantshela ngayon. I am a born again Christian. Ngumntwana kaNkulunkulu, ngisindisiwe, I believe in salvation. I'm like, why ngingayisho into ebaluleke kanje? You guys should know. Ngisindisiwe, ngingumntwana kaNkulunkulu. My relationship with God is on another level. Like, I've been in this level for so long. Like, ngibona growth spiritual. So I need to work on that. I have to be consistent in reading a Bible, praying, fasting. Kunalento le ukuthi uyayiyeka, ukhuleke urepente kodwa uphinde ubuyele futhi kuyona. You guys, nidila kanjani naleyo nto? Like, uyiyeka kanjani something that you addicted kuyona? And do you saw kaNkulunkulu? Do you guys have any New Year's resolution? Any New Year's resolution? My New Year's resolution. What is your New Year's resolution? I'm almost on 100 subscribers. I am almost on 100 subscribers. Almost. I'm almost there. I know you guys are gonna take me there. Please share my videos, subscribe. Please. Just share to as many people as you can. I believe in you guys. You will take me to 100 subscribers. I was talking to this other girl from, I know her from Tongat, a high school in Kosbomfu, Unandi waka King. Stay. Mzala wako. Ave ngimthanda, I love her, uyangi-inspire. Yo, ngiyamthanda shame. Her Instagram stories, I want to put her Instagram post, I want to put. So I was telling her, good girl, you have a YouTube channel. You should go back because in Temangbuga, what in around 2020, 2021 post on YouTube. I'm like, oh, get in your Zoom. So she posted a video recently and I was so happy. I think I was the second one who liked her video. I was so happy. Nandi, if you're watching this video, I do love you. Kodwa manje ukubona umuntu umazi kodwa uyibuza ukuthi gazi yena uyangazini. Because mina guys alona la high school bengingaziwa ngaleyo ndlela. Abantu bebengirecognize mase ngithi hayi ngumngane kaSithe, ngumngane kaJuly, ngumngane kaZuleka, ngumngane kaZe, mase kuyima oh Noxolo ulo othulayo yabo. But Nandi, I think uNandi uphume ngo-2016 or 2015 or 2014, but ngingena high school wayekhona wayifunda nobhuti wami uNdu, wayifunda nobhuti wami. Yeah, nohle ngiyazi kabi iskimi sakhe leso. Yo, ngiyamthanda uNandi, uLirato, Zinhlezi, uAnnelis Wanjangana. Who else? Uba umunye. But nje those are my favorite YouTubers. No Pamela Ngobo, but she doesn't post. I know you are watching this video. I need you to post content, please, please. I don't know, guys. Is there anything you guys want to know about me? Guys, I want you to ask anything, any question, any questions, any question you have. You can just write it down below the comment section, please. See, engage, guys. Anything you want to know, anything. I'm off today. Yeah. I'm so happy. Whew. Guys, please follow me on TikTok. I'm at 24. I'm trying to be active as much as I can. Please like my post, comment, follow me. I'll follow back. If I don't follow you on TikTok, ngicela ungitshele, I will follow you or I will follow back, please. Guess what, guys, let me edit this vlog. Guys, the sunset, it is so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see. It is so beautiful. Oh my god.